my dear students. How are you? And hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let us start English chapter number 18, The Jungle Book. See, here is a small act based on the tales from the Jungle Book. ओके एक छोटा सा एक्ट है यहाँ पे जो जंगल बुक से लिया गया है. ये एक स्टोरी है, ये एक मूवी भी है और एक ये बुक भी है. Okay, so scene one. It all begins a warm evening when the silence of the jungle is broken by an unfamiliar sound of wailing of a young one. Okay, so the cries of hunger are unmistakable whether a man or of a beast. Black Panther, where is this wailing coming from? A bird on a tree. Follow the cries, Bagheera, you will soon find out. Bagheera, why it is a man cub, it must be fed soon or it will be die. ओके तो उन्हें एक आवाज आती है ना, वेरी मतलब चिल्लाने की, परेशान होने की, रोने की. तो वो ब्लैक पैंथर बोलते हैं कि आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है. तो एक चिड़िया बैठी होती है पेड़ पे, वो कहती है कि फॉलो द क्राइज बगीरा, यू विल सून फाउंड आउट. बगीरा कहता है व्हाई इट इज इन मैन मैन कब, इट मस्ट बी फीड सून और इट विल डाई. तो उनको एक व्यक्ति के रोने की आवाज आती है. After that, see too, Mother Wolf is busy with her 4 cubs while Rama, the father, is so to go hunting when they hear the earth-shaking roar of tiger. It is not just any tiger, it is Sher Khan, the terror of the jungle, looking out of the cave. Father Wolf and Mother Wolf saw something brown crawling towards their cave. Mother Wolf, now what would you that be, I wonder? Quick, Father Wolf, bring it to me. Father Wolf, it looks like a man cub to me. तो वो एक जो है इंसान का बच्चा, यानी कि एक आदमी का बच्चा वो लगता है. मदर वॉफ, हाउ सॉफ्ट एंड कडली ही इज, वो कितना सॉफ्ट होगा और कितना प्यारा होगा. सडनली द केव गोस डार्क. शेर खान्स ग्रेट हेड एंड शोल्डर्स हिल द एंट्रेंस. फादर वॉफ, व्हाट डू यू वांट? Sher Khan, I'm hunting a male cub. Seeing me, his parents ran off. I heard the cub wailing to go close by, but couldn't find him. I see you have taken him and gave him to me. तो फादर वो कहता है कि तुम क्या चाहते हो. तो शेर खान कहता है कि मुझे एक इंसान का शिकार करना है, इंसान के बच्चे का. ठीक है, उसके पेरेंट जो है उसको यहाँ पे छोड़ गए हैं, चले गए हैं, और मैंने जो है उसकी रोने की आवाज सुनी है. ओके, तो उसने कहा कि तुम उसको ढूंढो, देखो और फिर उसे मुझे ला के देना. आफ्टर दैट फादर वोप द पब इज आस्क्ड नाउ. तो जो फादर वॉफ था, जो भेड़िया था, उसने कहा कि अब वो बच्चा ना हमारा रे. शेर खान, हाउ डेयर यू गिव मी द मैन कब एट वंस. उसने कहा तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई, उसको लाओ और मुझे दो. Mother Wolf, the man cub is mine. He shall not be killed by you. He will live with us as our own cubs leaves us alone and return to your own way of the jungle. तो जो मदर वोक थी, उसने बोला कि वो बच्चा जो है, हमने पहले उसको सुना, वो हमारा है, हम उसको तुम्हें मारने नहीं देंगे, उसको हम अपने पास अपने बच्चे की तरह रखेंगे. शेर खान, your cave is too small for me to enter, but remember, I shall not I shall not forget the man cub will be mine one day. Mother Wolf, we won't let that tiger come near you, man cub. I will, to man cub, look after you as my own. So, Grey brother comes with the wolf cubs, a tiger cub. What shall we name him, mother? Mother Wolf, let's call him Mowgli. तो उसका नाम क्या रखा उन्होंने? मोगली. Father Wolf, and when he grows up, he will hunt Sher Khan. और जब ये बड़ा हो जाएगा, क्या ये शेर खान का शिकार करेगा? Mowgli laughs innocently. He knows nothing yet of the adventure he will have as he grows up in the jungle. Scene 3. It is the night of the full moon. Father Wolf and Mother Wolf with their 4 cubs and Mowgli went to the council row. And this is a special meeting place. Sher Khan has returned to their part of the jungle he still wants. The man cub Mowgli is a threat to the entire wolf face. Akela, the leader of the pack, must decide whether Mowgli should stay or go. है ना, इन्होंने एक मीटिंग रखी. शेर खान क्या कहता है? द मैन कब इज माइन, ये बच्चा मेरा है. व्हाट डू वॉल्व्स वांट विद ए मैन कब? अदर वॉल्व्स, यस वी डोंट वांट ए मैन कब इन आवर पार्क, वी वांट टू लिव इन अ पीस इन द जंगल. मतलब कोई भी इंसान हमें अपने पास नहीं चाहिए, हमें शांति से अपने जंगल में रहना है. अकेला, आर वी ऑल इन एग्रीमेंट दैट मोगली मस्ट गो? Other wolves, yes. Now I will have to tell Rama, yes, Akela. The council has reached its decision. The man cub can no longer stay with the pit. Ram, but why? The man cub is like my own child. He's entitled to the protection of the pack. Akela, I'm sorry, Rama, but Sher Khan has sworn to kill the boy. Rama, but why, Akela? You know the headsman and Sher Khan is not going to allow Mowgli to grow up to be a hunter with a gun. So, Rama, we can explain anything to Sher Khan. Even the strength of the wolf's pack is no match for the tiger, the man cub must leave. Mother Wolf, is it there any way to keep Mowgli Akela? So, Akela, well, there is one law of the jungle of two members of the jungle speak for Mowgli. He may stay. तो यहाँ का रूल है कि कोई जो दो मेंबर उसकी साइड से बोलेंगे तो मोगली यहीं पे रहेगा फिर. Mother Wolf, come brother Wolf, speak up. But Father Wolf, why the Simons won't any of you speak for man? Cub, Mowgli is just like one of my own cubs. So would you keep quiet if it were grey, brother? So just then there is Grant from the trees. Mother Wolf, look, here is Bablu, the sleepy brown bear. He teaches all the cubs the way of the jungle. Let him speak. Balu, will you teach the ways of the jungle to Mowgli also? I speak for the man cub. Let him run with the pack. I shall teach him. Akela, we still need one more to speak for him. Just then a dark shadows drop onto the council rock. It is Bagheera. तभी बगीरा वहां पे आता है. Bagheera, I come as a friend, Akela. I like the look of this man come. If you let him stay in the pack, I will give you a wool ball. I have just killed him and he's nice and fat. So, other wolves, yes, we are hungry. A wool ball, what a delicious piece. Let Mowgli stay. Akela, you are lucky, Rama. You may keep Mowgli. Sher Khan is in place with a mighty roar. He vanishes into the jungle. तो इन सब के बीच में फिर ये डिसाइड हुआ जो है कि हम मोगली को यहीं पे रख लेते हैं. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you, everyone.